decided to just go ahead and start making an app because the website was a little boring. So I found this guy on YouTube, shout out Fireship, and he explained a bunch of tech stacks, and I ended up deciding on the, thank God, a simple one at the end compared to the first one. And yeah, shout out to him. His video's pretty good. You should go look at it. But I'm using Ionic for the mobile app, like the website conversion, Vue.js to help build that. I'm using Firebase instead of MySQL now because that's supposedly a better scalable server with Node.js to code that. And then, of course, HTML, CSS, and normal JavaScript to kind of build the website out. And obviously, this took the first try to make this. It's a lot more complicated than I thought it would be. But yeah, I found this guy is pretty much the only guy I understood. You can see his channel right there, and yeah. So Ionic gives you a lot of like helpful components to make it look better. These are the docs right here. So yeah, this was awesome to see. But yeah, this should be a challenge, but I kind of got the hang of it after a little while. And yeah, this is me going through his tutorial. Right here, just trying to make the basic app. Yeah, it was a lot different than what I'm usually programming with PHP, MySQL, and like basic JavaScript. So yeah, here we go. It's got a list. There's a bunch of errors because I think I'm in a newer version compared to what he was. But yeah, we got that figured out. You can see there. Now we're trying to think. We're linking a description page to the list, so when you click on it, it will take you there, and it's like super complicated with like all the routing and stuff that you need. Big error there. No idea what that means. But yeah. The routing page is pretty complicated. That doesn't make much sense, but there you can see I got it to work almost, I guess. Yeah, there we go. So pretty much what you have to do is you have to like define a route for each page to go through, and add a back button obviously to get back to the main page. That actually did not work a couple times, and the icon is still a little messed up. But yeah, there's the easier CSS, I guess, for the pages. But yeah, you can see here I got it to work. You can click on the first memory. The memory page is kind of like the project, the sample project he was working on, so I went through that. And then yeah, now we're making the list look better. We're adding images. Tell me if there's any tutorial for Firebase that I should watch. That's good, because I don't know how that works either. Adding comments so I know what to do later when I go back and look at this. Big images, and then we make it look a little better, style it up a bit. And I guess the point of Vue is you make all these like base components, so you don't have to render them, or you don't have to program them out every single time. You just kind of use that component that you've already coded in. So yeah, I guess that's pretty cool. Yeah, sorry if this sounds a little boring, but it's like 7 in the morning before school. I haven't had Wi-Fi for the last few days. So yeah. See here, getting a bunch of errors, but I think what we're doing here, we're loading content onto the memory description page. So yeah, that's what's here. But yeah, it's before school. This is my first chance to edit the video and add voice over to it. Yeah. Here we're making like the sample list, or not the sample, like the base list, and so we can just code that one line into the main page. the description page and it will show all that. A lot of stuff still very confusing. Don't really know what it is, but I mean, it's getting better, I guess. Always got Stack Overflow to explain it or figure out any problems that occur. Yeah. I will probably add one more part to this of me building the app, or like the sample app, before I really start. Then we can see we're passing information in between the two pages. So we can get the memory from the description page with the specific ID that we would get from the database. But it's just hard-coded in right now. Yeah, one more part of this, and then I'll probably start working on the main Canvas app. Which, if you want to see what it is, the website's still up. And yeah, you can use it. I'll try and transfer over all the accounts if that's possible, and all the posts and stuff. But it might be a little different because of the Firebase. I've looked into it a little bit. It seems a bit different from MySQL. Yeah, I'll try my best. Here we go. Final thing we're adding is an add memory page, which does not work. We just got the base components down.